forget walking. Because new studies from Japan are proving that walking alone does almost nothing to stop sarcopenia, the hidden muscle loss that's stealing your power, balance, and confidence after 60. You might still walk every morning, yet your thighs are thinning, your legs weaker, your energy fading. That's not laziness, it's biology. Harvard research shows you can lose up to 8% of muscle mass per decade after 50. But 2 simple Japanese home exercises can change everything, rebuilding lost strength and killing sarcopenia where it starts. Forget walking. Your comeback begins here. Have you noticed weaker legs or shrinking muscles after 60? You're not alone. Comment "stronger legs" if you're ready to fight sarcopenia naturally, and subscribe for real solutions that rebuild muscle, energy, and confidence. Your comeback starts now, right here, with men who refuse to give up.
George was 68, proud, disciplined, the kind of man who never asked for help. But lately, even simple things, climbing stairs, standing from a chair, felt harder. His thighs had thinned, his confidence too. His doctor told him to walk more, but walking wasn't helping. That's when he met Dr. Catherine Rotker, a men's health specialist at Yale with over 20 years of experience helping men reverse sarcopenia naturally. She told him, "George, what you're fighting isn't age, it's muscle starvation. Your body's losing fibers faster than you're rebuilding them." Dr. Rotker explained that walking activates mostly slow-twitch fibers, the ones used for endurance, not growth. But to fight sarcopenia, you need to awaken the deep, fast-twitch fibers that trigger testosterone, balance, and strength. She showed George 2 Japanese home exercises proven in a University of Tsukuba study to rebuild leg muscle by over 20% in 8 weeks without weights or pills. Within a month, George noticed it: steadier steps, firmer thighs, stronger energy, and the quiet return of something even deeper: confidence. The real enemy isn't age, it's sarcopenia, the slow, silent breakdown of muscle that begins after 50 and accelerates every year you ignore it. The Journal of Cachexia, Sarcopenia and Muscle found that most men lose up to 1% of muscle mass each year past midlife, and with it, strength, balance, and confidence. But what makes sarcopenia truly dangerous is how it spreads beneath the surface. When leg muscles weaken, blood flow to the lower body drops, and that means reduced testosterone, slower recovery, and even weaker erections. It's not just your legs that suffer, it's your entire vitality system. Harvard researchers explain that muscle mass is one of the strongest predictors of male hormone health. When those fibers die off, energy and drive fade with them. This is the hidden enemy, not visible but constant. Every missed signal, every lost ounce of strength is your body quietly asking for help. The good news? You can still fight back and win. Researchers in Japan discovered something remarkable: 2 simple home exercises that rebuild muscle and kill sarcopenia without weights or long walks. The first is called the chair pose pulse. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower yourself halfway as if sitting on an invisible chair and pulse gently 10 times. That small motion reawakens your fast twitch muscle fibers, the ones responsible for strength, balance, and testosterone support. Do 2 sets daily. The second is the heel lift hold. Hold the back of a chair, rise slowly onto your toes, and hold for 5 seconds. Repeat 10 times. This strengthens your calves and soleus muscles, which improve blood flow and protect against sarcopenia-related weakness. A University of Tsukuba study showed these movements improved leg muscle strength by 22% in 8 weeks. Another from Harvard Health linked better lower body circulation with higher testosterone and energy levels. No gym, no pills, just 10 minutes a day, and your body begins to rebuild itself. These Japanese home exercises don't just fight sarcopenia, they help you feel powerful again. Here's what happens when you stay consistent. By day 7, you'll feel it, a lightness in your step, better balance, and more warmth in your legs as blood flow begins to return. That's circulation waking up dormant muscle fibers, the very ones sarcopenia tried to kill. By day 14, your thighs feel firmer. You notice your energy lasting longer through the day, and even your morning erections may feel stronger, a sign your lower body circulation is improving. By day 30, something deeper shifts. You stand taller, move easier, and feel younger inside your own skin. The National Institute on Aging reports that targeted muscle activation can reverse up to 25% of sarcopenia loss in just 1 month. And when your muscles come back, so does your confidence. That quiet, powerful certainty you thought age had taken. 2 Japanese home exercises, a few minutes a day, and suddenly you're not managing decline. You're rebuilding your life. Most men fail here, not because the exercises don't work, but because they treat sarcopenia like a sprint instead of a mission. You can't rush muscle recovery. It's not about sweating harder, it's about showing up every day. Japanese longevity experts call it kaizen, small, steady improvements that never stop. Skip a week and the muscle loss creeps back in. The Journal of the American Geriatric Society found that inconsistent training reduces muscle gain by 40%, even with the same effort. Your body needs rhythm, not random bursts. The second mistake, ignoring nutrition. Without protein, vitamin D3, magnesium, and zinc, your body can't rebuild what those Japanese home exercises awaken. Harvard researchers note that men low in vitamin D lose muscle 30% faster and have higher rates of erectile dysfunction. So eat eggs, salmon, and Brazil nuts. Hydrate, sleep, keep moving, because the danger isn't fatigue, it's silence. Sarcopenia wins when you stop fighting. Brother, your strength isn't gone. Your vitality isn't lost. It's waiting for you to wake it up. Forget walking. These 2 Japanese home exercises rebuild your muscles, kill sarcopenia, and restore energy, balance, and confidence that you thought age had stolen. Like, share, and comment. No more sarcopenia if you're ready to take your body back. Subscribe because you're not alone, and your best years are still ahead. Your legs, your erections, your energy, your life, all of it can come back. The fight starts now, and you have the tools to win.